The launch of the Google Pixel 9 series is anticipated to take place later this autumn, but the leaks and rumors continue to circulate. Recently, a visual update has surfaced, revealing live images from a Russian website, offering an exclusive first look at the Pixel 9 Pro. This year, it is rumored that the company will introduce a third model, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, making the Pixel 9 Pro not the largest device in the lineup. The alleged Pixel 9 Pro showcases a redesigned camera layout and is expected to include a periscope telephoto camera as seen in the leaked images. The leaked images of the purported Pixel 9 Pro were shared by Rozet earlier this week. One of the images displays the rear panel of the handset, featuring an oval-shaped camera island. Previous reports have indicated that the Pixel 9 series will abandon the visor camera module in favor of a simpler camera island, a claim supported by the leaked images. Additionally, the publication has provided a comparison image of the Pixel 9 Pro alongside the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It is worth noting that the successors to the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are expected to be smaller in size, similar to the iPhone 15, compared to last year's models, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will boast a larger screen, akin to Apple's top-tier iPhone 15 Pro Max model. Furthermore, one of the leaked images displays the Pixel 9 Pro in fast boot mode, a segment of the bootloader used for flashing system images on the device. According to the image, the Pixel 9 Pro will come equipped with 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM from Micron and 128 gigs of internal storage. We observed the new physical appearance of the Pixel 9 Pro, featuring the new pill-shaped camera bar. The Pro model clearly showcases 3 lenses along with a flash and a cutout that is speculated to be for a thermometer. Moving on, the polished rails, with embedded antenna lines, exhibit fingerprints quite prominently, a previous issue with the iPhone Pro models until the transition to titanium last year. The power button, similar in size, and volume rocker are located on the right side. Regulatory markings are visible on the left, while the top displays an antenna cutout. At the bottom, the USB-C port is accompanied by a speaker on one side and a microphone cutout and SIM card slot on the other. It is important to be cautious when handling the SIM card slot to avoid any mishaps. Although the official launch of the Pixel 9 series is still months away, it is essential to note that the final product may differ from the prototype seen in leaked images. Despite this, the leaked information does offer intriguing insights, further fueling anticipation for the significant changes expected in October. Stay tuned for more updates on the Pixel series, and I look forward to sharing more information with you in the future. Till then, take care and peace out.